Hey, so we're doing a new segment called like Quick Tip, and it's just like a short part of the show where we just show you like how to do easy, real quick things. So my truck, the '94 Chevy WT, it's had a lot of issues lately. Mostly that the truck doesn't want to run half the time. It runs on like 4 cylinders, and I think that's because there's gas or water in the gas. Ow! So I went to the parts store, and the guy said that the spark plug, he just gave me the spark plugs. He didn't tell me if they were gapped or not, and I'm assuming they are, but if they're not, they'll gap themselves, and I'm sure it'll be fine. All right, so one thing that our cameraman Tyler taught me, all right, so we take our plug wire here, this is the old one, okay, we took it off, and we just trace it back to the old distributor, and on the manifold here, it says what that cylinder is, and that's number 3. Now we take the corresponding new wire, put it on our new distributor cap, just mark them real quick, and we'll know what they are, where they're supposed to go.
It was on 40.
You're kidding.
And they said, yeah, they just laid spike strips down the road. And he's filming, and all of a sudden you see this car come flying like 120. Hits the spike strips, spins completely around, hits the ditch, rolls over twice.
Yeah, and
then 2 state highway patrols come flying up past him and like tackle him to the ground.
Clips his front end, rolls like 7 times, gets out, acts like a normal citizen on the side of the road. The cops didn't even know about it until a few seconds later.
Dom Toretto mode right there.
Dude, did you see that video?
Let me put on my leather jacket and just walk up to the
Have
parking
you seen
garage.
the video?
I think it started growing, it's got some fungus growing on it. Like grew an extra toenail off the side. It looks like my toe. I'll take my boot off and show you, but you know, it's pretty messed up. I think that's your problem. That's why it was firing bad, but who knows? That's a good, not so good. You're gonna die. It's like the perfect cast. You ever seen the Goofy movie?
Dude, I haven't seen that in years.
Where he gets the perfect cast going.
How much more horsepower do you think it'll make? A lot more?
Oh yeah.
Like 10 more?
About like 40.
12.
Those are 40 horse injectors.
Maybe we'll be able to do a burnout now. So pretty much all these spark plugs have told us that this engine hasn't been running clean for a long time, mostly because there's been like water in the gas or something. And all of them, that's not terrible. Could be a lot worse.
You run those to torque spec?
Yeah, I did it until it stopped moving.
About 1 ugga gugga.
Wait, what was that again?
1 ugga gugga. You never. That's how I torque wheels.
Ugga dugga, not ugga ugga.
3 ugga guggas. Right
Ugga
there.
gugga. Ugga gugga.
3 ugga guggas. That's. I wouldn't run spark plugs that tight. You might break them, but. You got 246. 246.
Okay, it doesn't say it on the manifold over here. So.
It doesn't matter what the fine art is. That's cylinder 2, that's cylinder 4, that's cylinder 6.
I was asking.
1, 3, and 5.
Oh, I meant to ask him like which one's which. Oh, what? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
Wait.
I'm waiting for the air cleaner. Oh, we forgot to put that stuff in the gas tank.
You need carb cleaner and too, but I don't know.
So it turned out to be the injectors that was wrong with the truck, which apparently is a common problem. The fuel is pretty crappy. The truck will like start backfiring and stuff if I get Sunoco gas, because it seems to be really bad. But all in all, the problem was the injectors. So there's 4 people on our team now, because we know y'all who are watching this, you go and you work on your trucks, your cars with your buddies, and you know how that is. It's so much fun. You get a bunch of friends together. You have, you know, TV on, you got all your snacks, all that good stuff. You're chilling, you're making jokes, listening to music, and working on cars with your friends. That's what we do. That's literally what we do. We just happen to film it and make a show out of it. Thank you for watching this episode of American Detour. The next episode, we want your opinions on what to do, actually, because there's so many different things that we could do for the next episode. One of the cars being this 85 Chevy square body that my brother bought. 1960 Lincoln that hasn't been on the show for a while, but everyone seems to love it, and I love it, and we want to bring it back and start working on it again. 67 GTO, Tyler, the new member to our show, his 92 6.5 turbo diesel. Justin, he has a Volvo. He has an 82 280Z Datsun. We have the station wagon, which is going to be sold. So if you want it, tell us, because we're selling it, because I'm tired of it. DM us at the Instagram page, American Detour, for details, and I'll tell you all about it. If you want to buy it, just tell me. I don't really care. And possibly Luke's new vehicle. He sold his 85 Chevy 4x4 K20. So that's gone, sadly. But he's going to be getting something new. We don't know what it is yet. But whatever it is, I'm sure it'll be on the show. So thank you for watching. Next episode will be good and a lot longer. We just haven't had time to do shows because of work and school and stuff. But we'll get back to it.